My name is Richard Jones, and I teach web technologies there at BDA. I'm passionate about web development because it's like a giant puzzle where I'm putting together 10,000 pieces sometimes without a picture to look at. Sometimes I first have to go and draw the picture first, or figure out it's somebody else's picture, so I have to get them to describe it to me. Then I have to draw it out. Then I have to put the pieces together, but the pieces, I have to figure out what shapes they take first. So it's just this big engineering kind of puzzle, and I love that engineering, that process of figuring things out, putting things together, all the different pieces, and then watching it work and stepping back and going, I did that. The thing that makes BDA so special is several things. One, the class size. It's a small class, so it seems to be more intimate, rather than me teaching a room full of 30 people where I don't really get to connect with the persons. In a class somewhere around 8 people, I really get to connect one-on-one a lot more. And there's a much more opportunity for one person to ask an in-depth question that everyone else might be thinking too. What it's like to be a professional in the industry is balancing input from a lot of people at once. There's always several clients that need something now, and they seem to want everything yesterday. And then there's other businesses, maybe a startup that I'm involved in, actually going on 2 startups. So I was trying to balance that and stay ahead of the curve. Right now, HTML5 is making a lot of headway, and so I'm trying to stay up on technology so that I can continue to keep pace with the rest of the industry. Some of the projects that I've worked on, I'll start with my flagship product. Callisto.fm is a startup that I'm involved with, and it's a podcast aggregation service. We're just now moving into hosting, but that product lives in the Amazon cloud, so it's really exciting to do things with streaming and with content distribution networks, things like that, cloud-based services. And another project that's also hosted in the cloud called Kakuna.com. That's a music site for independent musicians where the artist can upload videos and tracks and sell those tracks, and users can go and view those videos streaming right there on the website.